cada día.
Welcome to the port of Cozumel. There are currently 4 ships in port, 3 right here. A 5th one is coming in, and in the back over there is where Virgin goes into, so I don't know if you can see it. There is a ship over there. That's an alternative port. So you do have 2 ports, this one and that one. This one is like a traditional port. That one you have to go up escalators over the road and it takes you into like a mall. Not really a bunch of touristy shops in there.
Pasar el tiempo a tu lado. Qué alegría por haberte encontrado. Soy feliz. Siento que todo he ganado. Tengo tantas razones para quererte, cariño, tantas razones.
If you're taking an excursion from the cruise ship, so you just come in through the gate, past the dog sniffer, they'll all be to your right except for 1 and 3, which will be right in front of you, right by the duty free. We aren't taking an excursion today, but a good friend of mine recommended that we take an excursion that they did. It's the Lucha Libre with meet and greet, a Mexican wrestling experience. So my friends Ali and Theo had a good time with that, so they highly recommend that. So it's pretty cool. They sent me a picture. They got a bunch of wrestlers around them. They're wearing their little masks and all kinds of stuff. So they had a great time with that.
Yo sabía que algún día llegaría. Tengo tantas razones para quererte, cariño, tantas razones para quererte. Tengo tantas razones para quererte, cariño, tantas razones para quererte. Mi corazón para ofrecerte, para quererte. Nunca quiero perderte, para quererte. La suerte de poder tenerte aquí, para quererte. He hecho yo para merecerte, para quererte. Tengo tantas razones para quererte, cariño, tantas razones para quererte. Tengo tantas razones para quererte, cariño, tantas razones para quererte, para quererte, para quererte. Te quiero decir, te elijo a ti. Si me dan a elegir, te elijo a ti. Para poder vivir, te elijo a ti. Es lo que me hace sentir, te elijo a ti. Lo que siento es tan fuerte, imposible no elegirte. Ahora que estás aquí. Lo que siento es tan fuerte, imposible no elegirte. Ahora que estás aquí, para poder existir, te elijo a ti. Te lo voy a repetir, te elijo a ti. Siempre voy a insistir, te elijo a ti. Ya no quiero sufrir, te elijo a ti. Lo que siento es tan fuerte, imposible no elegirte. Ahora que estás aquí. Lo que siento es tan fuerte, imposible no elegirte. Ahora que estás aquí, te quiero decir, te elijo a ti. Si me dan a elegir, te elijo a ti. Para poder vivir, te elijo a ti, es lo que me hace sentir, te elijo a ti. Te quiero, 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 te quiero decir que te quiero, 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 te quiero decir, te quiero decir, te elijo a ti. Si me dan a elegir, te elijo a ti para poder vivir, te elijo a ti, es lo que me hace sentir, te elijo a ti, te elijo a ti, te elijo a ti, te elijo a ti, te elijo a ti.
Porfa, deja de llorar. Nada peligroso va a pasar. Me quedo aquí contigo y nunca te voy a dejar. Todas las pesadillas ya se van, ya nada pasará. Ya nada pasará. Ya nada pasará. No, nada pasará. Oye, amorcito, llegó la hora de dormir. El hombre de arena aquí está.
As far as dining options inside the port, you got Margaritaville, you got Tequila Go-Go, you got Senor Frogs. Right outside, you've got several other restaurants to go to as well.
Ya nada pasará. Ya nada pasará. No, nada pasará. Ya nada pasará. Ya nada pasará. Ya nada pasará. No, nada pasará.
Some tips for when you come to Cozumel. One, you're gonna get offered a free gift. Nothing's free. Okay? They're gonna try and sell you their jewelry or whatever they're trying to sell. Two, they're gonna try and call you the wrong name because they're gonna then ask you what your real name is. And then they're gonna try and get you to come into their shop and buy an anklet or something with your name on it. The next thing is, they're going to be all over you trying to say, come on in, no pressure, no pressure. And then you go into shops, and they're just going to pressure you to try and buy stuff. Just kindly say no and keep on going. There are several locations with bathrooms. They do have a couple ATMs. They say that they have Wi-Fi, but it's not free. You have to pay for it. So don't expect free Wi-Fi when you get off the ship. They do have Wi-Fi here, it just not work. FE has Wi-Fi as well, but you have to enter in your email and a voucher number, so apparently you gotta pay for it too. So they do have Wi-Fi here, it's not free, and if it is free, it's not working right now, so maybe it'll work better when you get here, but right now, no bueno.
Pero el amor llega así, de esa manera, cuando uno menos se lo espera. Se abrió la puerta y sin pensar dejas entrar el amor.
That concludes our time at Cozumel Port. If you have any questions about it, let me know. Until next time, I'll see you next trip.
De amarte y